Right then, so we're going to go to an outing today. We've got an outing on the train, and going to be going to Andover. That's going to be exciting. So we'll see what happens. I got to go and get the pick up the ticket. Right, that's the ticket. I don't know what platform it's on, but we'll go over to the main platform. I like to have tickets. I don't like the online phone thing.
Up the stairs.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's a nice day today.
It is a nice day, although I've had a bad morning so far.
Oh, well, maybe it'll get better.
Maybe. I went to Bradford-on-Avon and my train to Westbury was cancelled, so my husband's had to rush back, grab me, bring me here so I can meet the next one.
Opening.
Do you want to go first?
You go. Sorry, yeah.
You
All right, I'll go. I haven't got very long. Thank you. Well, I hope your day's better than.
For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
Let's see if there's any stuff. Oh yeah, I'm going to Andover via Salisbury.
Via Salisbury.
10:03 is it? 10:05?
It's 10:03. It's due about 10:07 at the moment.
10:07, yeah.
Platform number one.
Over there.
Yeah, over the other side. I'll be over.
All right.
Just before it comes in, get you on board.
Yeah, all right, lovely. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Yeah. As I suspected. I'm surprised they've got that part there with no engine running. It's not very often.
Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
So, yes, as I said earlier, this is a trip to Andover. It's not very warm, it's about 9 or 10 today, but sunny all day, apparently, allegedly. So I thought I'm going to try two things. I'm going to try a different place. Because looking around, I was thinking Weston-super-Mare or somewhere like that, but it costs.
Doors opening.
It just costs the same amount, really. So it doesn't matter where you go. I'm going to go here.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
So, plan is, I've looked on the map and it looks like it's about a mile and a bit from the station to the town. So we're going to have to go on a bus.
Platform.
That doesn't sound very good.
Doors opening.
So unfortunately we are going to have to go on a bus, I think.
Doors closing.
So I don't really want to do a mile or so. It's alright going there, you've got to get back. So I can't ever say that I've been. It's cold over here. There's no sun.
To announce that the 0952 Great Western Railway service to Frome has been cancelled. Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. This train has 4 coaches. Train stops in zones 6 to 3. Cycle spaces in zones 5 and 3. Wheelchair facilities in zones 6 and 4. Platform 1 for the 10:03 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour.
Hopefully it's only the way over. Is she coming over here or what? Oh, it's 10:05 now. 4 minutes.
We are sorry to announce that the 0959 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. This is due to this train being late from the depot.
What sort of fucking excuse is that? Late from the depot? What are you on about? Anyway, whatever. It's not my train. It could have been my train. I could have been going to Exeter. So, is she coming up? Or is he coming up? Not sure. Oh, there he is. 2 of them.
Platform 2 for the 0959 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's.
Right.
Castle Carey, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway and Exeter St David's. This train has 5 coaches. Food and drink is available on the train. First class accommodation can be found in zones 6 and 5. Standard class in zones 4 to 2. Cycle spaces in zone 3. Wheelchair facilities in zone 6. Platform 2 for the 0959 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's.
Oh, there it is, it's coming now.
Platform 1 for the 10:03 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. Colliers, Warminster, Salisbury, Rumsey, Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. This train has 4 coaches. Train stops in zones 6 to 3. Cycle spaces in zones 5 and 3. Wheelchair facilities in zones 6 and 4.
It's an old one. It's 158771. 158771.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 09
Yeah, I've got to get off Salisbury, yeah.
We are sorry to announce that the 10:13
Yeah.
regular Sunday railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Mews is made by approximately 4 minutes.
Platform number 2 is the Exeter Daily service. Please remain behind the other line until the train comes to a complete stop. This train has 5 coaches today. The first class.
I'm going to reverse. Yeah.
Once again, this is the Exeter Daily service. Platform number 2. As always, stand clear of doors. Let people off before you get on.
Yeah, that's all right. That'll do. That'll do. Yeah. We've got to wait for a ramp. Yeah, that's all right. Thank you. All right. We'll do Andover train. On this platform? Yeah.
Head towards where the subway is. I think it'll be around there in the middle.
Alright, lovely, thank you. Oh, it's a Basingstoke train. Is it? 10. 10:47. And that, say it again. Say it again. Three carriages. Open train is currently between Tisbury and Salisbury.
This train has 3 carriages. Train stops in zones 3 to 5. First class accommodation can be found in zone 5.
159002.
Please use all other available doors on this train. calling at Tisbury, Gillingham, Temple Coombe, Sherwood, Yeovil Junction, Crewkerne, Axminster, Warrington, Limiton, Cranbrook, Hayhoe, Exeter Central and Exeter St David's.
Is there going to be anybody to get me up?
If not, the guard will do it.
Yeah.
I'll let them know.
If you are travelling to Tisbury or Limiton, you need to travel in the front 3 carriages of the train. Train stops in zones 9 to 4, first class accommodation, down in zones 7 and
Crash. Oh God. Showing off now. Yeah, that's better. First time. Second time. Embarrassing.
Telly time.
Now a word from the sponsor.
Do you use the National Rail Network to get from A to B? Are you fed up with sky-high rail fares eating into your budget? Enter TrainPal, the app that's your ticket to smarter, cheaper UK and Europe train travel in 2025 and beyond. Why unbeatable value? Zero booking fees mean every penny goes to your journey, while split ticketing saves up to 50% by breaking routes into bargain segments. Snag rail cards for 1/3 off, off-peak deals, and flash sales that beat standard prices, all on Vodafone's speedy network for seamless bookings. Compare live timetables, book e-tickets in seconds, and enjoy refunds if we don't match a lower fare elsewhere. Frequent flyers rave about the savings on London, Edinburgh, or Eurostar jaunts. Sign up today and claim your £5 welcome bonus on your first booking. Instant value from the get-go. Travel further. Spend less. Click the link in the description.
Yes, I am. Yeah.
Andover, perfect Hampshire. I'll be back.
All right.
Do the doors from there for Andover.
All right.
Single or two?
All right, thank you very much.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, get out of here. Going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Yeah. Accessible toilet with the ramp. I should have gone down that way. Never mind. I took a little bit of a detour. This reminds me of Salisbury. Yeah. So I didn't see that because there was too many people. That's it. So, somewhere down here, that's it, that's the bus. Is he going? Oh, he's going. Oh shit. There was a down to the bus station. That's the roundabout. Around there, down there. I suppose. Don't know how long it's going to be. Suppose I could. That's a bummer, that is.